back to the video. I'm just gonna say that I am Josh, and my dad made this account, so the name is incorrect. It would have been Josh RE 2016 MLD 420 Blizzard, but of course my dad named it this, and I'm sorry about the name. It's stupid, and the picture is stupid. I'll soon try and be edited out because I hate that picture. It's so creepy. Just those eyes, just going. So, here's my backstory. I started just now, like 5 seconds ago. But why did the camera fall? I'm such a noob. No, I'm not a noob, but noobs die. And if you like this video, punch a like button in the face like a mouse, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video.